Bullish Cardano, ADA, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.59 and $3 by 2030. Market examiners accept ADA could reach $1.23 by 2025. Bearish Cardano market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.282056. Cardano, ADA, presentation. The digital money market is increasing constantly. In any case, staying aware of this high-speed industry is certainly not a simple undertaking. In this manner, numerous financial backers and merchants who need to exploit the market to create critical gains are drawn to Cardano. Stay close by for an intensive clarification of how Cardano cost expectation functions, its specialized examination, and what's on the horizon for Cardano in the event that you're attempting to enter the Cardano exchanging market. In any case, remember that on the off chance that you want long-haul achieve, Cardano, frequently known as the potential Ethereum executioner, stands high in the crypto market with secure blockchain innovation, progressive savvy agreements, and application cases. Cardano, which exchanges under the image ADA, was presented by Charles Hoskinson and utilized a proof-of-stake system in which holders of the cash are accused of confirming exchanges as a trade-off for a prize. The top digital money trades permit you to partake in marking with no or little cost, making it an engaging choice to create pay. Cardano's emphasis on peer-checked on information and proof-based approaches in its advancement separates it from other cryptographic forms of money. Most of the digital currency market goes quick, however Cardano swings the alternate way. It moves all the more leisurely and purposefully. The benefit is that it improves engineers' probability of distinguishing possible dangers. Central investigation. Cardano's particular offer is its undeniable strength. They aren't expecting to catch the whole market for savvy contracts and dApps. All things considered, they focus on building a functional decentralized monetary area for the creating scene. The Cardano settlement layer and Cardano calculation layer setup keep up with everything coordinated and adaptable regarding innovation. The Cardano group has held the record part of the blockchain, announcing of worth, unmistakable from the process part of the blockchain because of their obligation to straightforwardness, why the worth was moved. Additionally, Cardano pushes out around 700 commitments each week and arrives at roughly 100 and 150 engineers reliably dealing with the task. Because of these huge quantities of engineers, the coin is probably going to overwhelm Ethereum in market predominance and is the most effectively evolved blockchain project. As the organization's power increments with decentralization and the ADA token stock is set at 45 billion, there are expected benefits for financial backers to buy, keep, and stake ADA tokens. Cardano is right now worth $0.352569 United States dollars. ADA has moved 4.94% as of now with an exchanging volume of $314,740,849. Cardano is as of now positioned 8 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $12,120,630,704 United States dollars. Using the overall strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling disparity, MACD, from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Cardano, ADA, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Cardano, ADA, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2023. Cardano, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year, ADA. The ADA cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0.528854. Similarly as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0.493597 in cost is very aggressive, however it is attainable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. ADA is supposed to have a base worth of $0.423083. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2024 out of 2024, Cardano ADA cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ADA will before long outperform $0.881424. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the ADA's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ADA will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.705139 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.775653. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $1.23 and ADA might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ADA is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.13 and a low of $1.06 in 2025. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2026. Assuming Cardano effectively helps market feeling among digital money aficionados, the ADA coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ADA will be green in 2026. The ADA is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $1.59, with a base cost of $1.41 and a typical cost of $1.48. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the ADA cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.83 by 2027, with a base cost of $1.76 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ADA has a most extreme value worth of $1.94. Cardano, ADA, value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.19. On the off chance that ADA figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $2.29. Neglecting to assemble the help ADA needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $2.12. Cardano, ADA, value forecast 2029. While ADA is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $2.47 and a yearly cost close above $2.64 in 2029. Cardano, ADA, value forecast 2030. By 2030, Cardano will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $2.82 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $3, averaging out at $2.89. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should do your own examination. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme ADA cost in 2031